Setting up the measurement input channels on a DX advanced recorder is actually quite a simple process. Once you press the menu key, you'll see the menu structure in front of you is shown. If you go to the measurement channel part here, scroll down to it and then press the right button, you'll see the list of options available to you there. The first one is range and alarm. This is the one we need to go into. On this screen you'll actually see first channel to last channel setup on the screen. This allows you to set up multiple channels with one single setup procedure. So in this particular case I'm going to set up channels 1 to 10. I'm going to go through and just increase the last channel to number 10. And then when we get down to mode, you can see that you can choose to either skip the channels. For example, if you have some unused channels, you've got voltage inputs, thermocouple inputs, RTD inputs. You can scale voltage or thermocouple inputs. Delta means the difference between two channels. DI means digital input. Log is logarithmic input. And there is a direct 1 to 5 volt input when you actually use a 250 ohm resistor for a 4 to 20 milliamp input. And there's also a root for square root for flow readings, generally from an orifice plate. So in this particular case I'm going to go in and just show how to set up a number of thermocouples. So in the mode, if we choose thermocouple here and perhaps choose type K, the unit will always show the maximum, basically the minimum value for the lowest bound and the maximum value for that particular thermocouple. If we scale this one as, for example, 0 to 1200 degrees C here, we can then just press the enter key again. At the moment it shows the values in yellow, which is a kind of are you sure kind of value. If you press the enter key again, you can see that it goes to white. This means now that the inputs have been fully accepted, and that's generally all you've got to do to set up channels 1 to 10 as a K-type thermocouple. In this section we can also set up any alarm values that we require. There is actually 4 alarms per channel. If I switch the alarm value on, you can see that you can choose between a high alarm, a low alarm, a high rate of change, a low rate of change, a high alarm with a time delay and a low alarm with a time delay. If we choose a high alarm in this particular case, going across and put in a value of say 1100 degrees C, we can choose to attach this to a specific, to a relay. In this case, the first hardware relay on the device. And again, it's gone yellow to show me that as a kind of are you sure that I want to set up in this way. Press the enter key again, and now all the first 10 channels are set up as a K-type thermocouple 0 to 1200 degrees C with a high alarm at 1100 attached to relay number 1.